Here's another attempt to see if the RPM is bouncing. I didn't think about that. That's the first time I've seen that.